Hi, I'm Hiro. Today's topic is imasu versus arimasu. Quick question. You see a cat in the room. Which is correct? Imasu or arimasu? 猫がいます。猫があります。The answer is imasu. 猫がいます。Both arimasu and imasu mean there is in English, but in Japanese, you must choose the right one. Today, just 3 rules. These 3 will help you avoid the most common mistakes. So let's go. Rule 1. Imasu is for living things that move on their own. People, animals, anything alive. For example, 猫がいます。There is a cat. 犬がいます。There is a dog. 先生がいます。There is a teacher. Living and moving, use います。Rule 2. あります is for things that don't move on their own. Objects, buildings, and surprisingly, plants. For example, 本があります。There is a book. 学校があります。There is a school. 木があります。There is a tree. Wait, a tree? Yes, plants don't move on their own, so they use あります。Rule 3. The vehicle trap. Cars, trains, planes. They move fast, but in Japanese, they are not living things, so use あります。For example, 車があります。There is a car. 電車があります。There is a train. Remember, moving doesn't mean alive. Vehicles are objects. Three common mistakes. Mistake 1. Using あります for animals. 猫があります。猫がいます。Animals are alive. Use います。Mistake 2. Using います for plants. 木がいます。木があります。Plants don't move. Use あります。Mistake 3. Using います for vehicles. 車がいます。車があります。Vehicles move, but they are objects. Use あります。Quick check. 5 seconds each. Question 1. There is a dog in the park. 公園に犬がいます or あります。Question 2. There is a tree in the garden. 庭に木がQuestion 3. There is a car in the parking lot. 駐車場に車がAnswers. Question 1. います。A dog is an animal. Question 2. あります。A tree is a plant. Doesn't move. Question 3. あります。A car is a vehicle. Still an object. Got them all? Nice work. 3 rules. 1. います is for living things, people, animals. 2. あります is for non-living things, objects, plants, buildings. 3. Vehicles. あります the trap. あります and imasu have more uses. Possession, scheduled events, and more. I'll cover those in future videos. If this helped, like and subscribe. Learn Japanese from a small seaside town in Japan. 次の動画で会いましょう。See you next time.